Hi, is my voice audible now?
Better.
Okay, yeah. So I was asking you, since we were having this conversation about how you wanted to help people, the current situation of India and across the globe, the COVID है, फिर rape cases है, फिर ये GDP वगैरह है. What is your take on that?
We are actually going through a really difficult time.
Right.
And okay. Hello.
You're breaking. I mean,
फिर
your
से गई
voice is
आवाज.
breaking in the middle. There is no issue in my network, I'm assuming, because मेरा वाईफाई तो बहुत अच्छे से चल रहा है फिलहाल. Let me just add him back right now. What's the issue? Just waiting for him to add back because I'm guessing there's some network issue from his end. Oh God. There is some network issue from his end. I'm expecting him to join in. Yeah, he's here. Is it better now?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So you were saying your take on the current Bollywood
Repeat your
situation.
question again. Basically,
Yeah,
what we are going through is basically okay. We are going through really difficult times, historic times, to be honest. जो
right,
वक्त हमारा अभी फिलहाल गुजर रहा है, ये आगे जाके जो हमारी पीढ़ी है, हमारे जो आगे जाके की जनरेशन रहेगी, आई थिंक 100 साल के
right,
बाद, इवन 200 साल के बाद, they'll read about this in their history books. Like how
right,
we read about you know Spanish flu, and we read about partition of India. We read about World War I, World War II.
right.
I'm not saying we are expecting a world war, but we're expecting so the whole world is basically very volatile right now. Whatever is happening with the politics and it's just not India. It's basically I think all across the world. The democracies
Mm-hmm.
are failing. We had some
Right,
really amazing good 70, 80 years after Second World War when UN happened, United Nations
right,
happened. We thought that we can, stick together and have international laws and we can sort out things and so America have been the superpower, whatever you can say, somebody who's been taking care of the international geopolitics and everything. And
right.
after Trump when he left and वो तो चीजें हैं, इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही है, पैंडेमिक है, ये है, वो है, एंड ये सब का रिपरकशन ही है जो इंडिया में आ रहा है फिलहाल. आई थिंक whether something to do with Hathras. So basically, rapes. So I mean, it's very sensitive. I don't know if I should speak about it right now.
Right.
That's terrible. I just fail to understand. Like I can comment on it with my own perspective, but even after that, I really don't understand what really drives a person to do such a horrific thing. I can say कि ऐसे करने से संस्कार और लोग पता नहीं क्या क्या बकवास कर रहे हैं. हम कहेंगे कि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अच्छा कर दीजिए, देयर शुड बी
Mm-hmm.
ऑलरेडी कैपिटल पनिशमेंट फॉर इट, मेक मोर स्ट्रिक्ट लॉज. बट आई थिंक लोगों को लॉ का डर नहीं है. पीपल आर नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ द
Law and
कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस.
order. Right.
If they would have been afraid of consequences, I think it's just basically a kind of conditioning that they get in the environment they are grown up. Uh, and everybody thinks that I'm pious. Everybody thinks that I'm the right person. Even
Mm-hmm.
most of the religious person, whether to do with Islam, Hinduism, or Christianity, they believe
Mm-hmm.
in God, think they're doing right for the God, but somehow, somewhere people don't understand, like how we say about being politically correct and the right
Right.
upbringing is the right mindset about things. There's some things that you just say it and you say कि यार मजाक में बोल दिया, but इन छोटी छोटी चीजों को भी जो आप बोलते नहीं हो बच्चों को या आप बताते नहीं हो घर पे कि ये सही है ये गलत है, वो छोटी छोटी चीजें ना
Mm-hmm.
धीरे धीरे वो बड़ा माइंडसेट पकड़ लेती है। आई थिंक
Right.
बचपन में एक छोटा सा सेग्रीगेशन कि तुम लड़की हो तुम लड़का हो, लड़कियां ये नहीं करती लड़के वो नहीं करते, लड़के को ये करना चाहिए, वो छोटी छोटी चीजें जो घर से चालू होती है ना जब बच्चे होते हैं 6-5 साल के,
Mm-hmm.
वही
Right.
चीज बाद जाके बहुत बड़ा रूप ले लेती है बड़े होके, अगर उस चीज को बचपन में करेक्ट नहीं किया गया तो आई थिंक
Right.
it has to do with the upbringing. It has to do with the collective mindset. Uh, as far I can say about my experience, it does help. I was more of a homophobic person, while growing up
Mm-hmm.
because that's how the kind of people that I knew about and people around me, they were always making either fun of homosexuality or the transgender people, or either I was too scared to see a transgender. I used to just like literally run away after looking at them. So I was quite a
Oh.
homophobic person, but I would have been the same person even now if I would have not changed from where I was before and the kind of people that I was hanging around with to what people that I hang around now. So basically, you are a product of your environment. You come out of that environment and you change your environment and you become a better person, or you have to basically the society or the law and order has to basically change that environment, which has been
Right.
creating all these things. So
Right.
yeah, so I think, yeah, I think I was a little chauvinist also while growing up.
Mm-hmm.
So, but मुझे पता नहीं था ना उस टाइम पे ये सारी चीजें बात, उस वक्त मुझे
I
लग
mean,
रहा था
if
कि
you
यही,
would have known it, you wouldn't have reacted that way.
yeah,
This is
I
what
mean,
I
this
feel.
is a learning curve. I can't say that बचपन से पैदा होते ही I've been the most righteous and politically correct person, or I've been the most liberal person. No, because that is what you get to hear from people. That's basically you shape as a person and you have your perspective what you hear from other people. So as
Right.
a child, I was growing up in a certain, not my own family I'm talking about. I'm talking about generally while going to school or hanging around with kids in my locality, what they used to talk about, what they used to talk. I mean, वो होता है ना. So if you make things
Right.
so easy for racism, क्या है? Racism is also the same thing. If somebody is saying something to another person, and if you don't correct it and if you don't check it right over there and you enjoy that whole catcalling or whatever it is, and so you
Mm-hmm.
tend to think that it is okay and you can get away with it. So
Right.
same goes with the most horrific incidents like rape or other things. Yeah.
Definitely, I completely agree with you over here at this point because this is my personal, thought as well. Like, this is what I feel. But but anyway, let's just keep it light, light right now. Let's just have a little
Mm.
game with you.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's play Never Have I Ever. What do you think? Are you up for it?
Never have I ever played this game before.
So you might know the rules, right? Never have I ever. I'm gonna
Yes.
ask you a few questions, and you're gonna just be like, yeah, whether you've done it or you've not done it. And if you've done it, I
Okay.
am expecting an explanation from your end. ठीक है?
Explanation also. ठीक है, चलो.
हाँ,
That's
ठीक है ना?
optional. I'll think about it.
All right. Okay. Like, if you're comfortable, explaining it. ठीक है?
Yeah, yeah. Not bad.
ठीक है. Let's start off with something light. Never have I ever been late for a shoot.
Of course, I've been late for it.
So are you like the always late person or कभी कभी
No.
late हो
See,
जाता है?
again, there's been phases in my life where I've been absolutely strict with my routine and things like that. There have been phases in my life where I've been extremely like lethargic about everything. There have been phases in my life where I was like, नहीं यार टाइम पे पहुंचना है, टाइम पे किसी भी हाल में पहुंचना है. और एक वो भी फेज रहा लाइफ में, like ठीक है ना यार 10 मिनट लेट जाऊंगा तो क्या हो जाए. And
So
एक वो फेज भी रहा when I was so spoiled and so pampered and it was not the right thing to do, but ठीक है जी लिया जिंदगी का 1 साल वो भी where I was I was such a, I think, pain in the ass for the production team because I used to like, जब मन करे तब मैं आऊँगा. I've done that, but
Oh
I
God.
don't think nobody would ever do that, and I don't really recommend that. And I have done that, and I'm really, really shameful and apologetic about it.
Like it was one of your face, so chalta hai. Like, it's okay. It
Yeah,
happens.
it wasn't just me also. I think it was the whole crew at that point of time. And all my co-actors were like that. So I think वो एक दूसरे का वो energy rub कर गया because everyone was like that, and if even you reach on time, the other people are not on time, so you tend to like sit 2 hours sitting and like waiting for others to come. So like जब वो कुछ नहीं बोल रहे तो हम भी जाए 2 घंटे लेट ही आएंगे जाओ.
Understandable. अच्छा ठीक है. Never have I ever, sent a text to someone and अगर वो इस इंसान का reply on point नहीं है, तो you might have just said it कि अरे no, I was sending it to someone else by mistake आपको भेज दिया. Have you done that
नहीं, I
ever?
have not done that.
Oh, you haven't done that yet. It's so
No.
cool. I've done it. I've done it, and
No,
it's so
I'll
cool.
tell you why. Because one simple reason. Because so you tend to change the whole topic and say like, no, I will you. It is basically very sly, and it is also very, which lacks confidence if you do that.
Right. Yeah. I mean,
I,
बचपन में सब
I,
करते
I,
हैं.
I believe in I believe in calling out that person. If I don't get the reply on point, so I'll just say it like, "Acha, theek hai." So Instagram has that feature. So when you're texting somebody on Instagram on DM and you're having a conversation,
Mm-hmm.
and the other person is not interested, he will just read your message and just like it with
And
a
like
heart
it.
and just drop the conversation there. So which is
I
kind of indicative
literally
that I don't want to
overuse
reply
that.
right now. Maybe I'm not interested. So
I
I
overuse
understand that.
that.
Yeah, so I understand that. I do that too. Like if I don't want to reply somebody has sent me something, and I don't want to continue that conversation anymore, so I'll just like tick tick, and then I'll move on. There'll be no reply.
Same.
So technically, I
Same.
have replied to that person. I've been courteous enough to give that like, but I don't want to reply. So I've done that too also. So I understand the whole psyche behind it. So if somebody does that to me and I'm expecting a reply, so I call out that person. It's like, Acha, so you don't want to reply, so that's why you've done that. And the other person gets like really, क्या कहते हैं वो शर्मा जाता है सामने से बिल्कुल embarrassed हो जाता है. The person has to like revert and ये message me back.
Okay. So, never have I ever tried to, guess somebody else's phone's password.
Yeah, I've done that too.
You've never done that?
Yeah, I mean, see, for fun, not to basically spy on somebody
Oh,
uh,
okay. So,
without anyone's knowledge कि चुपके से क्या है नहीं. It's like,
no?
guess your password. Give me your phone. Let me just guess your password or whatever, like that. And that too also with my guy friends and all that shit. Nothing to do with my ever like girls or like girlfriends for that matter. Like, I'm not even bothered what is there in the they're doing. Yeah.
Never have I ever catfished someone by making a fake account.
Do you really think that I need to make a fake account and catfish?
I mean, why not? People do that quite often. So, I expected you
Do
also
you
to
really
do
think
that.
that I have to do that?
I mean, no, catfish करने में कितना time है यार? Catfish करने में मजा आता है. In fact, prank भी तो हो सकता है catfishing.
नहीं, मुझे I don't understand why. Why would anyone do that?
That's good. I mean, catfishing. I have done that. And I've done all possible things, to make someone awkward. I'm the queen of making people feel awkward.
But क्या, was it a prank on somebody?
Yeah. I was pranking a guy friend of mine being a hot girl, and I was like, I'm trying to hit on him. And he was buying that.
I know
So
I've
that was
not done
wrong
that.
batch.
Calls. I've done
You
prank
prank
calls to
call.
people. Yeah, I've done
Oh,
that.
right.
I keep doing it. I have
You
called
still
at
do that.
least. I have called up at least a lot of my friends in the past. So yeah,
No,
and
I've
some really
prank
weird,
called.
some really weird prank calls. Like
Wow. You
calling
want to tell something? You want
calling
to,
somebody 1 in the night and not speaking. Just like calling that person from a new number and just like
Oh,
just
God.
breathe.
Oh,
And the
God.
person and the person will automatically like whoever she or he is expecting, she'll come out with the name. Oh, is it you? Is it you? Is it you? And then you were like, अच्छा, तो तुम्हें एक नाम मिल गया पहले, तो तुमने हाँ में हाँ मिला दिया. And I've done one amazing prank with one of my friends, and it was really scary also. I I
What did you do?
I did that. She said, "Is it you?" Whatever name that she took, I forgot. It was like 5 years, 6 years back.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, "हाँ." It's like, "क्यों फोन किया?" And मैंने फोन काट दिया. उसके
Oh
बाद
God.
she tried calling me back, and I was not picking up call. She tried 3 times calling me back. I was not picking up call. And then I just texted her. It's like, listen, I really can't talk to you. But all I wanted to say, get yourself checked. I am HIV positive now.
Oh God. That was really the worst kind of prank on someone.
Yeah, yeah. I
You
mean,
know,
you
now
can
you've
do,
given me a
but
nice idea. You've given me a nice idea. I'm definitely gonna pull this prank to someone.
yeah, you can also do one thing. I mean, Hal Filal, you just call up your random friends, and not your random, your friends from a random number, and
Mm-hmm.
just say that, hi, this is inspector or whatever,
Oh.
Asthana from NCB, and I got to know that that this particular peddler had your number, and I think you've scored
Oh wow,
whatever.
that's a nice plan. I am definitely pulling this on someone now. Thanks for the idea.
And do this
Okay.
early in the morning, like 8:30, 9 in the morning. Because usually people are like sleeping and they wake up with this sudden thing, the दिमाग भी काम नहीं करता है, टूथब्रश भी नहीं करता है, और उनकी फट जाती है. It's like a nice
I am
coffee shop.
definitely pulling it. Definitely pulling it. Like many people don't have, my private
So,
numbers.
so
I'm
and
definitely doing that.
NCB prank early in the morning, 8:39 is the time slot, best time.
Okay. Okay.
Not in the evening. And the other one, HIV one, wala, you can HIV or whatever disease that you can say, like
Mm-hmm.
whatever sexual transmitted disease, like gonorrhea, whatever you can say, I don't know. And that you have to do it after one. It's crazy.
Okay, perfect. I've got the timings. I'm doing it. I'm pretty sure my जो जो देख रहे हैं लाइव उन पे तो नहीं करूँगी. बाकी के जो नहीं है उन पे पक्का करने वाली हूँ.
ठीक है.
Okay, moving forward. Never have I ever replied to a fan cause वो cute है.
Sorry?
Never have I ever replied to a fan cause she's cute or he's cute or you find that person attractive.
I've done that. Not many, but I've done it.
Oh, so
Yeah, I think
okay.
once or twice maybe.
Mm-mm-mm. Maybe never have I ever lied on a shoot just to like get rid of it, get away with it. ऐसे निकल जाना है इसलिए झूठ बोल के निकल गए.
समझ में नहीं आया मुझे ये question actually.
मतलब like if you are bored in the shoot, for example, you're bored, you don't feel like working, you might have just said के lied के अरे यार मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, मैं भूल गया, फिर निकल गए शूट कर.
नहीं वो झूठ बोल के नहीं निकला हूँ मैं.
Mm-hmm.
I think if I have to do something, I have to go something, I am extremely honest about with my production team for that. And I have
That's
to
good.
rapport with my people. And you build that over time. You don't do this like for initially first 3 4 months or 5 months. But after 4 5 months, you go to the same set again and again. You do the same people every day. And when you like sign up for a show, you do it for 1 year. Sometimes it goes for 2 years. So you need to build that rapport with your production team, and you have to say that I have certain work and I have to leave by this time. I don't have to
Like
lie about it.
even if you're bored, you just tell them that I don't feel like shooting
If
today.
I'm not bored actually, I don't really get bored working. Uh,
Mhm.
you feel low certain days.
Right.
You feel low and certain days you feel कि ये सीन आज नहीं करना है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सीन है, ये शायद आज नहीं कल करते हैं जब when have more energy, or maybe we'll do it early in the morning, maybe I'm too drained right now to emote
Right.
or to put in so much energy in this scene. So that I usually speak with my director or production team, and somehow I've been very lucky with that. My directors have been really helpful that way. I've told my directors I just don't feel like I just want to go back home and sleep. Yeah, I'm too drained right
Mhm.
now. They're like, yeah, fine, okay, go, we'll do this thing tomorrow. So I've done that.
Okay. So never have I ever had Maggie with sauce,
Maggie
tomato
with
sauce, tomato sauce.
eel. Terrible.
Thank God you said you. I would have started judging you right now. My favorite tomato sauce,
Yeah.
कौन खाता है? Or the
I'm
pineapple
judging
with
you for
pizza.
sure right now for asking that such pathetic question.
Oh, you. I mean, it's a part of my job, you know. I wanted to know.
You
Or
ask
the
pathetic
pineapple.
question?
Yeah. Okay. Pizza पे pineapple. Please say no.
I hate pineapple.
What? I mean, you know, it's like pizza on its own is good, pineapple on its own is good, but दोनों साथ में it's
No, I
pathetic.
hate
And you,
pineapples anyway.
oh God. Okay.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I
ठीक है.
hate pineapple. I don't like even pineapple juice and on pizza, definitely. No tomatoes, no pineapples on my pizza.
Oh, okay. No tomatoes for me too, but and definitely no pineapple for me too. दोनों अकेले अकेले में ही अच्छा है. All right. I guess I'm done with my never have I ever. There are people who are just asking you about कैसे है आर्या, and I'm not expecting you to answer that, of course. Uh, okay. There is this one unique question, but I'm not sure if you're gonna answer it. So I've put it up on this.
Ma'am, please ask her that Neeti ma'am got married. What is opinion? What would be my opinion on her marriage, yeah? How stupid is that? I'm happy for her. I think I've commented on her picture also, congratulated
Right,
her. She should be
right.
happy with it. And I'm glad that she got married. And yeah,
Okay. One more question.
really stupid question again. What do you mean when do you win Bollywood? I'm staying there, I'm doing my work there. I'm working for television for now. I've done a couple of movies in between which didn't work well also. So it's a part and
Mhm.
parcel of your job. You're there, you're doing either theater or television. Those are different mediums. So
Right.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this one's nice.
Never ever I have ever got extremely angry. This is Mridula.
Yeah.
Do I know her? I think she's my friend. Yeah. Uh, of course, everyone gets angry. I've also got angry in the past.
Like extremely angry, as in तोड़-फोड़ वाला angry. Yeah, you know,
So
थोड़ा
yeah, so
चिल्लम चिल्ली.
so basically, I don't usually get angry.
Mhm.
I'm very calm and quiet and very composed and very well behaved, and for that matter. But if I get ticked, very few
Okay.
times when I get ticked, then my anger level is not simmering. It's like not बोला नहीं है. तब
Mhm.
I get like really angry and it doesn't matter कि मैं कितना भी गुस्सा हो. Uh,
Mhm.
I will I will not project it to another person. I would rather project it to my belongings. I have a habit of throwing away my laptop, breaking my
Oh my God.
TV, throwing away my phone, and yeah, I'm a little destructive in that way. So if I throw away my phone टूट गया, then I'm like, okay, fine, चलो पैसा बर्बाद कर दिया मैंने. I
Okay.
have to work on that also, but yeah, that is one problem I have. I mean, yeah, ठीक है, but everyone is not everyone is perfect. People have flaws
Right,
also.
obviously. I mean, not everyone is perfect, and people tend to, you know, do that quite often. Okay, one last question from Via.
What kind of songs you like? I like everything. I listen to everything, and then that depends on the mood.
Mm-hmm.
So I listen from Qawwalis to EDM, everything.
Wow.
Yeah,
You
I
like
listen.
Kavalis?
No, huh?
You like Kavalis? I've not heard Kavali, to
I
be honest.
love music. So when I'm saying music, I love everything, and I listen to each and every language.
Wow.
Different regional language key songs and I listen to each and every folk that we have in India.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I explore.
Have,
That
have
is
you
one
heard
thing you
any
can't be
Gujarati song?
restricted. So with movies and songs, you can't be restricted to your favorite song or favorite movie. I think you should explore. The more you
Right.
explore, the more creative, or you can say the more open you get to
Mm-hmm.
the world.
Right. Okay, so I want to know, since I'm a Gujarati, I want to know, have you heard any Gujarati music? Like
Yeah,
the
I
Gujarati
listen to
song, like
sometimes. Not
Garba.
hardcore, like I don't follow each and everything. You can't be like I can't have play a
Like,
GK general knowledge wala
no, I want to
round
know.
on
I want to know
Gujarati
whether
music.
you want to, सुना है कभी
Yeah,
Gujarati music या do
yeah.
you like playing Garba?
I have
नहीं
played
ज्यादा हो
Garba.
गया.
I really can't say I like playing it. No, that depends. I might like it also, but never got an opportunity to play with somebody who had a crush on. So yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
You know,
when I
अगर COVID नहीं होता, I would
imagine
have said.
Garba, when I imagine Garba, I only imagine you are playing that to basically woo somebody and to try to impress somebody. I don't understand why would anyone play
Definitely.
it then. हाँ ऐसे कोई जाके गरबा क्यों खेलेगा यार? It's like
नहीं
some
नहीं नहीं
people
मतलब
be hot chick and then you have like been crushing on her for a really long time and then this movie yeah the Ram Leela
कौन सी?
Love
Oh,
Gokund
right.
so
Perfect.
yeah,
Class. But
I would
I
experience
mean,
that one.
you really want to, what if, यार ये तो COVID है, अगर COVID नहीं होता, I would have said, let's go and play गरबा together. I would have said that definitely. Because I know places जहाँ पे वैसे टाइप का गरबा खेलते हैं लोग. And
अच्छा
COVID है.
but वो
Never.
देखते हैं let's see yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Next year we can, do that.
Hmm.
Okay. Wow. This is one funny question, and I'm really expecting you to answer something very funny.
I I mean do I have to really name one because I दिमाग में जब नाम नहीं आए तो फिर आप जबरदस्ती एक नाम क्यों लो like it should just pop in your
Exactly.
mind right. I'm
Okay.
still thinking who's my crush. I have I do have crush in real life but not in Bollywood.
Okay. So people are actually, asking over here, are you single or taken or engaged
Yeah,
or
I'm very
what
much
is it?
single. I'm very much single.
Very much single.
Very
So
much
girls are
happy.
all ready to, DM you right now. Like, oh, even I'm single, let's date. Let's
So
go on a date.
people actually don't know. Just I just want to tell them if they're listening to this and probably expecting to DM me. I really don't look at my DMs.
Ooh. Wow. That was like a burn in my face.
Yeah.
Like
So
that's how
I'll
you
tell you
reply
why
to me.
because it's only when I don't look at all my DMs. It's only basically I mean it's not possible for me. I don't have so much time also either. I don't have so much of
Right.
energy to put. It's only if a lot of my friends was like, I've DM'd you and you haven't replied back to it. It's like, listen, you have to tell me that you have DM'd me. Then I'll go and check that whether you have DM'd me or not. So,
Right. So, I mean, hard luck, girls. Ayaz doesn't check DMs. Okay, I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for
yeah.
coming.
Yeah,
It was really, really fun. I really enjoyed this session. So much fun, so much of laughing. We should definitely do it again very, very soon.
definitely. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye. Take care.
Stay safe. Bye.
Bye.
So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We really, really enjoyed you guys asking so many questions. Thank you so much. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye bye. Take care.